I'm Brad with Wyman Plumbing Mechanical. We're here at the Grease Monkey doing a sewer job. We'll be replacing approximately 30 to 40 feet of sewer line due to improper installation.
We have a sinking pipe that has a belly in it that we've just been fighting for months. They've taken extra time to come out and jet the problem for us and run a camera through there and locate everything and walk us through the procedure and tell us what the best way to do it is.
We spent all day yesterday removing concrete, and now we're excavating, which you can probably see behind me.
We've got some bids from some other companies, and Wyman was right in the middle. I know they're not the cheapest, but they definitely are the best. They have great knowledge. They have years of experience between them and all their employees.
Spoke with Thad from Grease Monkey, and he chose Wyman Plumbing because of our experience and what we brought to the table.
They have the best communication for any plumbing company I've ever used, and I wouldn't use anybody else. And now they do all of our plumbing at our residential and our commercial locations, so we thank Wyman Plumbing for being awesome.